Here we have a 42-inch Hampton Bay Littleton ceiling fan. This one was, I think this is a 2013, 2014 model. To be honest, it's good for a hugger. This little room. Light. Doesn't need to be that long anymore, but it just is, I guess. I put this one up by myself. It replaced some lights, or light. I have no clue what that light is. I'm actually already getting a breeze. And these are cheap fans, I'm not gonna lie. Everyone hates these, but they're actually blowing a good breeze. Yeah. Not a horrible medium, but not a very fast high either. I'm getting a little bit of a breeze. I mean, it's a hugger. Cause, well, you know, with a hugger, you don't get too much of a breeze because it's too close to the ceiling, but it blows good air. Anyway, thanks for watching.